Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JTech. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm going to share my experience with the house furniture. As you can see, I have this trailer. I went to pick up my bedroom set and I was really surprised. Everything they put in a box, even mattress. So I have everything is about like 6 or 5 pieces. 3 pieces is bed, 1 box spring, and mattress. So I just picked up right now all, like I have a 5 foot by 10 foot trailer. It's like that much stuff I'm gonna unload in my bedroom, and then we're gonna unbox and see how they packed and how it look. And this time it's like white Valentino bedroom set. Now let's start. I'm gonna unload out of the camera, then we will open box with the camera. So now I have transferred already the bed set in my bedroom where I'm going to install. So it came in 3 boxes. 2 boxes is the box spring and the mattress. That's we're gonna take later. First, we're gonna open these 3 boxes. One will be the backboard, headboard, and the railing. I will suggest to you, if you have this situation, you are going to open box something like that. Never use knife or any sharp object when you open box, because it can scratch or cut. Especially this bed has some kind of a glass on the side and also have a leather on the headboard. So now let's open box and see how it look. Then we will put together. I don't know what kind of tools we needed. So far I have only this like Phillips screwdrivers, flathead screwdriver, and impact, which one have a Phillips screwdriver. Now let's start open box. So now we have an open box already. I'm gonna show all pieces what is we got inside. So first, this one headboard. That's the headboard, and that's, I believe, the foot and some instruction manual. That's all we got in one box. The second box we got the footboard, some instruction manuals, screws, and that goes to the footboard. And lastly, we got both side trim or the sideboards. We're gonna open this box first, assemble feet to the headboard, then we will do the rest. I got legs for headboard and some screws. Now we're gonna put together this side, then we will put side railing. box spring. That's the first time in my life I'm going to open box like that, because always we buy like whole assembled one. This time I think it come in pieces and we have to assemble. Now let's see how it looks. Now we have assembled already. It was not easy, it was a little bit complicated. We got it. Now we have assembled. The last thing, I'm gonna tighten all the screws. Then we have a cloth gonna go on top of that one. So now we finished with the box spring. It's assembled already and it's really heavy and look nice, strong. The next thing we will be opening the mattress.